If you are tired of your 2007 through 2013 Silverado 1500's factory taillights and want some better style but at an affordable price point, these C-bar LED taillights with the black housing and clear lens are a solid pick for you. Now, not only does this set offer some more modern styling with the LED integration, the bold running lights within this set, and the darker appearance, but these also add to the function of your truck, making it much more noticed at night. These are also great if you have a damaged taillight and need a quick and affordable replacement, but rather sticking to that OE design, you want a style upgrade as well. This set features a dark black appearance but keeps the lens clear, allowing for that darker look without taking away any lighting performance, and of course matching with other black accessories or accents that are already on your truck. Now, aside from the housing, the LED lighting is also a huge feature here with the stylish C-bar LED running light, giving a more modern fiber optic effect, and the center cluster to make your truck more noticed to other drivers, especially at night. Now, this also integrates red reflectors and LED markers for that additional safety and style. Now, this is also a hybrid design with the majority of the function coming from the LEDs up at the top, but to keep it to the affordable side, this does keep the factory reverse bulb paired with a new chrome reflector for a slight improvement in rear visibility while you're backing up. Now, these have a plastic housing and plastic lens, being lightly impact resistant and able to hold up very well to the elements. Now, the housing is also molded to factory spec, so you can expect a direct bolt-in construction. This also comes with built-in and wired-in resistors on the back to avoid any weird symptoms when switching from a halogen over to an LED. Sometimes you may get a little bit of flickering or hyper flashing, but with the built-in resistors, you won't get any of that. And this does have the factory style plug as well as a spot to plug in the factory bulb with an OE style construction, making this completely plug and play. Now, this set is about $200, which is a pretty affordable price point for a set of taillights in the category. Now, one of the reasons being is the fact that it does have that hybrid construction. It's a little bit more straightforward without a ton of super fancy features, but still offers a lot of function for the back of the truck. Now, I think if you're looking for a bold set of taillights that has that darker appearance, has the LEDs included, but isn't overly pricey, then this is a great set to consider. Install here, again, is a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It should probably take you around an hour to get the job done, but I honestly wouldn't be surprised if you got it done sooner. That's how simple this install is. However, at this point, I am going to hand it over to one of our installers here, and they're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get these onto your Silverado at home. So that wraps it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools required for this install include a Phillips head screwdriver. What's up, guys? Today we're installing taillights on our Silverado. First, we're going to watch a quick uninstall video showing you how to remove the factory taillights, and I'll meet you back here for the install.
All right, so the first step in our install with the tailgate down, we're going to remove both Phillips head screws on the inside of our taillight. All right, so with a Phillips head screwdriver, or we're just using this Phillips head bit just to make it a little bit faster, go ahead and remove both of these bolts. With both the bolts removed, go ahead and grab your taillight and pull straight forward. Once the taillight is released from these 2 pins at the back here, you can see each of these bulbs you have to twist to remove. Go ahead and grab the connectors and twist, and remove each bulb at a time.
So now we're ready to install our new taillights. So the first thing that we need to do is come to our harness. Now, the middle bulb is for our reverse. We're going to be leaving that and removing the top and the bottom bulb. So just wiggle these out of the socket. And then we'll grab our new taillight. Now, this connector is going to go to our top bulb socket. I'm matching the side that the black wire's on this connector with the black wire on this side. Now we're going to tuck all of our wires into the taillight housing. and then twist that bulb socket to the right to lock it into place. Now our middle connector is going to go all the way to the bottom to our taillight.
Now grab the bottom connector. This will just be open. There's nothing that's going to plug into that one.
Twist that in. And then we're going to tuck our boxes back into place. Feed our wires in. And then just press our taillight straight back into place. And then grab your factory screw and a Phillips head screwdriver. Thread it into your U-clip and do the same thing on the bottom. And now repeat that process on the other side.
So that'll wrap up this review and install of the C-Bar LED taillights with black housing and clear lens for your 2007 to 13 Silverado 1500. Thank you for watching, and for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.